The following is rated R. It contains violence, adult language, nudity, and adult content.
Yeah, so grab it with 2 hands and see if you can. Yep. There you go. Let it ride. Easiest thing in the world, right?
Yep.
So when you do this one, you probably get it the same way. You'll just have to be more surgical, on the other ones.
Yeah. Look at that score right there.
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect
Well, that
line.
one was perfect because it was a joint. That one ain't gonna break like that.
Oh, you're right. I
Yeah,
did that.
yeah, yeah. And then I'm gonna be up in whatever the fuck you said. And a whoop ass coming up. Yeah, daddy. Yeah, daddy. Yeah, daddy. Yeah, daddy. There it is.
Now that's a score.
Perfect. Perfectly done. Perfectly done. Perfectly done.
A fucking professional.
Boom. Boom. Boom.
That's how we're doing it.
That's it. Yeah, and that should be it. Then if you just pull the
This shit.
rest of them screws, yeah, you're good. And then just pull the rest of the screws.
Oh,
one-
yeah, you got that gun?
Yeah, it's right there. I'm gonna head down and start. I was in the nastiest apartment in this place. Ever. Ever.
Man, I'm still-
Ever. No, ever. Ever.
Dude,
Ever.
I have not been the same person since that shit went flying on me. I
I
haven't been
picture
the same.
that shit blowing all over somebody.
I'm gonna have to see a
Totally.
therapist after that.
I can't.